bagong gising, mag-walking, jogging. Time check, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Walking and jogging first to start my Sunday morning. Samahan niyo ako mga kanetizen while I'll walk through the park. As you can see, it's a beautiful day today. Lagi na tayo mag-finish. Let's go! Let's get fit! Electrical trainer for now. Nandito na ako sa park. Let's see how long I can do it. But I'll say that I can do 20 minutes of anything. Dito muna tayo sa bushland. Pakita ko sa mga. Ang ganda niya. See? Mini gym din sila rito sa park. Ayan. Kung gusto mo mag-pull ups, up. Alright. I'm going to do a leg press. Dito lang to sa park. So every laps, after 300 meters, meron silang fit for parks exercise. Now, this time, I'm doing a leg press. Getting haggard na mga netizen. Just doing my leg press.